we are going to see a problem based on pure capacitance, pure inductance and pure resistance. So, I will write a heading, it is based on pure R, L and C. The statement of problem is like this. They have given a circuit diagram where in parallel RC circuit, IR, current flowing through the resistance, is nothing but 15 cos 5000 t minus 30 degree amperes. Obtain the current in capacitance. So, we are supposed to find out IC. So, let us solve. First of all, I will convert this equation into a phasor, but here cosine is given. So, I need to convert cosine into sine. So, formula is simply I will add 90 degree to the existing angle and then I will convert cos into sine, meaning I can say IR will be 15 sine 5000 t minus 30 degree plus 90 degree, so that I will get IR as 15 sine 5000 t plus 60 degree. Why I have done this? Because this equation I am going to compare with the standard sinusoidal current equation. So, compare with I equal to Im sin omega t plus phi. So, if I compare, what I will get? I will get maximum current flowing through resistance nothing but 15 ampere, omega will be 5000 radian per second, its angular frequency, and phi for this current will be 60 degree. So that instead of dealing with the equation of a current, I can say IR is nothing but 15 at an angle 60 degree ampere. Simply I have converted equation to a phasor. Now, how to solve? It is a parallel circuit given. So, in a parallel circuit, voltage across resistance and voltage across capacitance will remain same. I know resistance is of a 10 ohm. I know this IR. I can get voltage of this circuit. So, voltage of this circuit V equal to IR into R. So, it is 15 at an angle 60 degree multiplied by resistance which is 10. So, if I solve, I will get voltage of the circuit as 150 at an angle 60 degree volt. A very important finding, because once you know the voltage of the circuit, dividing the voltage by capacitive reactance, I can get IC. So, let us calculate capacitive reactance XC. So, XC is a capacitive reactance given as, see, it is a complex quantity, real term is 0 and imaginary term will have minus j associated with it. So, it is a minus j 1 upon omega c. Minus j 1 upon omega is 5000 and capacitance is given as 100 microfarad. So, it is 100 multiplied by 10 raised to minus 6. So, if I solve, I will get XC as minus j 2 ohm. It is in a rectangular form. I can write in a phasor form or a polar form. How? It will be 2 at an angle minus 90 degree, unit is ohm. So, now I got XC in phasor form, I got V in phasor form, I can get a maximum current, because here IR I have considered a maximum. So all these things will get with respect to maximum current only. So maximum current in capacitor will be equal to voltage divided by capacitive reactance. So it is 150 at an angle 60 degree divided by 2 at an angle minus 90 degree. So if I solve, I will get maximum current through capacitor as 75 at an angle 150 degree ampere. So what I got over here? I got a phasor of a maximum current which I can write in equation form. So in equation form, the answer will be like this: IC equal to 75 sin omega t plus 150 degree ampere. So this will be final answer. Thank you.